Welcome to Autofaze. I'm T-Bren.
I'm Tyler.
And I'm Sean.
2020 is going to mark the year of a crazy adventure for Autofaze where we're no longer going to be known for just photography.
We're going to be diving into local builds, behind the scenes, DIY of auto body and paint. If you stay tuned with us, you'll be able to catch our sneak peek of World of Wheels.
We have a new track coming in. We're going to have street races where people come in from out of town doing events, personal best times, 60 foots, etc. It's going to be a crazy year.
And we're also going to be bringing you guys along for the ride of our personal projects. You've already seen my janky Nova that's been down for 2 years. I can't believe it's been that long. Wow, I shouldn't have said that. And we also got the Weiss Clean WS6 that we're doing full suspension on. So let's go ahead and introduce Sean and Tyler's projects so you guys can see what you're going to be in store for the next 6 weeks.
I'm Tyler. This is my 2010 Camaro. It is powered by a 427 LSX. It is twin turboed, puts down right over 1,200 horsepower to the tire. I'm in the process of color sanding and polishing it right now, sitting on some 17-inch bead locks. This thing should get down pretty nasty at the track. Keep an eye out this year to see what this thing's got going on.
I'm Sean. This is my Z06. It is a max effort NA right now. It is a sleeve block, forged pistons, LS7R cam. We just switched out stock intake to the high ram. It's a Nick Williams 102 throttle body, E85 full fuel system, headers, exhaust. Might run a drag dump exhaust if we go as far as what I want to do. Completely changing everything. Got rid of the nasty headlight lenses, which if any of you guys see a vet that sat outside in Texas a long time, they're tore up. Probably gonna do 15s in the rear, always run skinnies in the front, and got a nitrous system. It'll be a plate kit. I'll probably do a standalone, and that'll be for when we go out and play the turbo cars when they come into town, because I don't like coming in second. But yeah, that's about it. Go have some fun, tear it up, fix it, and tear it up again.
What's that bad boy make on motor? You're going to keep that under wraps?
No, before this intake it was 615 on the drag radials on like 18 pounds of pressure, so I'm thinking around 640. And then I don't know what this intake will do. Stay tuned, we'll see after we get it tuned. And then depending on how aggressive I get on a nitrous kit, we'll see. It's going to be 100 to 200 shots, so it'll probably go 200 because this is how we do stuff.
Thanks everyone for watching and checking out what we got going on. It's freaking cold here, so man, send me some mittens or something. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button.
Stay tuned.
If you're not tuned, you're lean and you blow up.
Hey, you ain't lying.